These three stocks are currently paying double-digit dividends, but it's not what you think. Strong cash flows, a modern fleet, and undervalued. And all three are benefiting from the current market situation. Let's take a look at which ones they are together now. Stock number 1, BWLPG, a dividend monster with substance. I entered at €7.45 with a total investment of €58.04. A total dividend of €86.82, which I have received, and it currently pays a dividend of around 13%. The number varies. According to investing.com, it's about 8%. What is, of course, especially important for us dividend investors is also dividend growth. This dividend growth was 47% over 5 years and even 8% over 10 years. That means the company has increased its dividend every year. Now let's definitely take another look at the data on investing.com. This is the current situation. The company is still in a very good financial position. I won't go into too much detail here because we've already covered most of it. In short, BWLPG is strongly positioned, benefits from the global gas market, is moderately valued, and is ideal for dividend hunters with a long-term perspective. Stock number 2, Flex LNG, an LNG giant with a modern fleet. Flex LNG owns 13 state-of-the-art LNG tankers and is known for distributing a large portion of its free cash flow directly. My entry price was €20.97 with a total investment of €2,238. The current value is €1,626. This corresponds to a price loss, unrealized of course, of €611.90 with a total gross dividend of €210.34 and a net dividend of €181.66. The dividend yield is slightly above 12%. We have high dividend growth of almost 100%. And here's the thing, the payout ratio is at 100% of the free cash flow, so the dividend is fully financed from operating profit. The company is also in a good financial position. The current 52-week range is between 17 and 24 euros. At around 19 euros, we have a very strong support level. The P/E ratio is only about 6.5, so fundamentally the stock is significantly undervalued. What's special? Unlike its competitors, Flex LNG has hardly any debt, an extremely young fleet, and is therefore absolutely robust and future-proof in the LNG market. Volatility remains, but for those who are bullish on LNG in the long term, this is a strategically strong position. International Seaways, an underrated tanker player. International Seaways operates a diversified tanker fleet, crude product and even LNG. The dividend yield is currently around 11%. Dividend growth is solid but fluctuates depending on freight rates and the spot market. The company strategically uses market phases for special dividends. The last special payout was a strong signal. Overcapitalization and directly returned to shareholders. Important, International Seaways invests continuously but still maintains a very shareholder-friendly dividend policy, especially when spot rates are high. My entry price was €34.29. A total of €685.71 has been invested. The current value is €688.20. The dividends were €20.47, which I have already received. This company is also in a very good financial position. Here as well, let's just go through things in general, but I have already mentioned the most important key facts. All three companies operate in the maritime energy sector, but with a completely different focus. BWLPG, propane gas, Flex LNG, liquefied natural gas, and International Seaways, crude oil and specialized tankers. And yet all of them offer double-digit dividend yields, solid cash flows, and capital-strong fleets. But be careful, dividends of this magnitude are never without risk. They are cyclical, fluctuate with freight rates, and only reward you if you think long-term. As always, this is not investment advice, just my personal strategy.